by Pillow Pets. This is Mr. Snape.
This is old Dumbledore.
This is nice Ron Weasley.
This is girly Hermione.
And this is Harry Potter, our one and only Harry.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape,
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron
Snape,
Dumbledore!
Severus Snape,
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Dumbledore! Hermione! Hermione! Dumbledore! Hermione! Hermione! Dumbledore!
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, yeah, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry,
Dumbledore! Yeah, everybody, puppets aren't real. Tip! I flipped! Ouch!
Get Brandon!
Ouch!
I stopped the video.
My ear. That is fall apart.
Let's watch it.
Frank, you better not hurt your sister.
Stop.
Let's
Watch
watch
the mysterious ticking noise reenactment by Pillow Pets.
Oh, yeah.